You sprinkle all time. Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to 12 Days of Cookies, day 4. I'm hanging out with my friend, professional chef, Jet Tila.
Just your friend's enough. Yeah, your friend. Non-baker, Jet Tila. Non-baker, let's make that clear.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a little bit of baking. Today we're gonna be making a delicious ginger eggnog thumbprint cookie.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Everything I want in a cookie.
And then in the middle of the cookie, we're gonna have a little bit of eggnog ganache. Now, eggnog is very polarizing for the holidays. Where do you stand on eggnog?
You know, I definitely live in pro-eggnog.
Now, if you love gingerbread and you like eggnog, you may love these. So
Let's get started. I gotta do the head shake. I'm dizzy now.
Me too. First step is to mix together your dry ingredients. And Jet, I'm glad you're here. I'm gonna put you to work. So in a medium-sized bowl, you've got flour, and then you're gonna mix in a little bit of...
Can I guess?
Okay, you guess.
All right, firstly, ginger.
Boom.
Boom,
yes.
boom, boom. Okay, cinnamon.
Yeah.
All right, this one's gonna be a little harder. Ooh, that's clove.
Oh, yeah.
And of course, a little leavener would be baking soda. A little bit of salt.
Little salt.
And I'm grinding it together. Cool, so it is giving me that gingerbread feel already. I'm digging this, Ro.
Now this is our little last ingredient. We're gonna add it to the dry right now, but it's finely chopped candied ginger. So not only do we put ginger powder, but we're putting more ginger.
I love it. If you've never had this, by the way, it is delicious. It doesn't eat like spicy ginger. It literally is a candied ginger.
So good. So once you got the dry ingredients all ready, we're gonna set that off to the side.
Sweater game strong today, by the way.
Right? Look at our sweater game.
We're pretty strong.
All right, what do you got?
Yeti to party.
Yeti to party. Right. Yeti to and he's got lights that light up.
That's right.
Like you've got, like, look at this.
Isn't that fun?
Now we're gonna cream together our butter and sugar. Just remember, you want your butter to be at room temperature so it's soft. Then we're gonna mix in our sugars, brown sugar, regular granulated sugar. Cream that together for a few minutes till it's light and fluffy. I do this on about a medium speed. Whoa, that was okay. I'm just excited. So Jet, your wife, she loves to bake.
Well, Tila is the baker of our house. So right now she's like making bouche noëls. She's making, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Anyway, go check out the channel. You can check us out over there. So
I love that. You guys, they're adorable. If you're using a stand mixer like me, use your spatula, scrape down in between, just to make sure it gets everything. Scrape, 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 scrape.
All right, Rose, so fluffy butter, sugar, cream together. Now what?
Add 1 egg and the molasses. Once you got your egg and your molasses in here, mix together one more time till well combined.
So I've learned you kind of add it either 2 or 3 parts. So go half first?
Yeah, add the dry ingredients, and like Jet said, we're gonna add half of it at a time, so you don't get a big dust cloud.
I don't want to wear a dust cloud today.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's looking good.
All right.
All right, let's do the other half.
Look how smooth that is.
Oh.
That looks perfect.
That's a beautiful color.
Bro, that dough looks perfect. It's so smooth. What's the next step?
All right, so we are going to scoop our cookie dough and shape these. So I've got a little ice cream scoop to make things a little bit easier, but if you don't have one of these at home, it's about 2 teaspoons. And these thumbprint cookies over here, we've got an example on this little baking sheet. They're a little bit smaller. And the reason they're a little bit smaller is because they are packed with flavor.
I like that.
They're rich, they're packed with flavor, and they're perfect for parties. All right, so we're gonna do a little scoop, roll it into a ball, and then we're gonna roll it in the sugar. Right here, I have a little bowl of sugar. Then place it on the baking sheet.
Oh, place it on the baking sheet. Okay,
and then
got
because these are a little smaller, they're called thumbprint cookies, but because they're a little smaller, you can use your pinky or this cute little fondant tool, just so you get a perfect circle. You can use this.
Yeah.
You could use your little pinky.
Oh, yeah, so I get what you're saying. Because these are smaller, my thumb would basically decimate this cookie.
Yeah.
So that's why we're gonna use the little pinky or the tool. Totally get it. So, Ro, since the holidays are cookie season and you're throwing cookies at me.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite cookie recipe outside of this one?
Okay, I just love gingerbread cookies. Gingerbread cookies are one of my favorite cookies in the entire world. What about you, Jet? You got a favorite holiday cookie?
You know, I gotta say, like, before I married Allie, I was not a cookie fan, and you're all gonna kill me for this, but
What?
Before I married Allie, I could live without eating a cookie. Like my entire I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Wait, breathe. Breathe.
Jet!
I know,
Christmas.
I know, I'm ruining Christmas. Are you okay?
Well, I'm glad you met Allie.
Yeah.
And I'm glad you like cookies now.
And then I did this show called Halloween Cookie Challenge. And then I learned so much more about cookies from my co-host. Yeah, so I've really definitely learning more about cookies these last few years.
We've made a bunch of these. I'm gonna pop them into the freezer for about 30 minutes so that they'll hold their shape while they bake. And after we take them out of the freezer, we're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for
8 minutes.
Yeah!
Right?
Yes, Jet! Jet, look at this. He's a baker. He's a baker.
Non-baker, let's make that clear.
While the cookies are baking, we're gonna be making our eggnog ganache. So in a little bowl right here, we have chopped white chocolate, then we have some eggnog, and then just a couple drops. You just need like 2 drops of rum extract because we want it to have that flavor, but a little bit goes a long way.
Truly.
This is easy peasy. So just pour the eggnog over the chocolate. I'll add the little bit of rum, just a little rum extract. And then Jet, do you want to mix this together?
I'd be happy to.
We are gonna actually heat this up in the microwave 10-second increments.
How do they say it in England?
The microwave. We're just gonna pop it in the microwave for 10-second increments until it's nice and smooth.
Brilliant. All right, so cookies on baking, they've cooled plenty, but you showed me this really cool trick because the centers tend to poof up a little bit.
Yeah.
So use that little tool and poof those down so you make enough space for the next step, which is...
Ooh, are you ready? Here's our eggnog ganache, and I scooped it into a piping bag to make this a little bit easier. You can leave it in the bowl and use a spoon, but because I made these cookies a little bit smaller in size, I prefer to use a piping bag to give us a little bit more control. So you're just gonna fill the center. This is gonna be the little garnish on top. It's a little bit of nutmeg because that is the spice in eggnog.
All right, bakers, you got 10 seconds left.
Oh no, we gotta go.
Just switch. You sprinkle on pipe.
Oh, you are fast.
Oh, I'm a machine. Once you fill the cookies, you just want to let them set out at room temperature for 20 minutes. This may be the hardest part because you just want to eat them right away. But if you bite into them right now, it's just going to gush everywhere. So give it 20 minutes and then enjoy. And ta-da! We made ginger eggnog thumbprint cookies. These are amazing. Now, after all that hard work, are you ready to taste them?
I am so ready. Beautiful.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Cheers! And remember, these are a soft cookie with lots of flavor.
I'm not biting. Oh my gosh.
That's so good.
Amazing.
You guys make these for Santa, and you're gonna make the nice list. Jet! I'm gonna have to make more. Jet's taking all the cookies.
That's right.
All right, that does it for 12 days of cookies. Day 4. A big thank you to my friend Jet for helping me bake today.
So much fun.
So fun.
I really had a blast. Thank you, Ro.
I love this. You and the
feel
fam
cookie
gotta
empowered.
come over.
I'm cookie empowered.
Go check out Jet, show him some love. I'm gonna put his links down below, and I'll also put the recipe in the description if you wanna make these at home for Santa. And if you like this baking video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell for ring
the bell for notifications. Is that what you're saying?
Right?
Right? Yeah,
Is that
totally.
right?
Ring that bell.
Ring that bell for notifications every time I post a new video. And happy holidays, everybody.
See you later. Take care.
And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here or
over here.
yes.
That's right. I got that right. Yeah.
Yes.
Over there and over here. All these videos. I'm surrounded by videos right now. Where am I?
Whoa, look at all these videos.
What?
So many to choose from.
How do I do
There's
that?
a cookie. There's a cookie.